Hi, so I'm going to be working on some SQL questions on Datalemur, and I thought why not bring you along and talk through my thought process in case anyone is also working on these questions and just wants someone to work through it with them. So I have the first question here, and this one says it's called a page with no likes, and it's a Facebook SQL interview question. So here we have the question. It's an easy question. Assume you're given the tables below about a Facebook page and page likes as in like a Facebook page. Write a query to return the IDs of the Facebook pages which do not possess any likes. The output should be sorted in ascending order. So then we have the data types, and here is the actual table that we're going to need. And this is the other table we're going to need. So we have two tables here. We have pages and pages like, or pages likes. So the first thing I always do whenever I'm writing a SQL query is I like to map out what I'm going to be writing in my query. So I know off the bat I'm going to need a select, and then I know I'm going to need a from. I have these two tables here, and I'm going to need information from both to answer this question. So I'm going to write a join and an on. I don't know what join I'm going to use specifically yet, so I'm just going to leave it at join, and then I'll add to it in a second. Now, I like to start with the from and the join, just because I usually give them another name, or I give it another variable, or whatever it's called. And if I don't write it now, I'll forget to add it into every time I select a column or a row or whatever. So I'm going to start from, what's our first table name? It's called pages, and I'm going to name that P. Then I'm going to join, what's the second table? Page likes, and I'm going to call that PL. And now how am I going to join these? They both have page ID and page ID. So I'm going to join them on that. P.page ID, or page. Let me do pages first. Page ID equals PL.page ID. See why I do this first? Because if not, I will forget to add this in the front. Now I need to select what I specifically want from this query, and it's asking me to write a query to return the IDs, so I know I'm going to need their IDs. So I'm going to add page ID. Is it asking for anything else? Which do not have any likes. So what this is going to give me is all the page IDs from while joining both tables. Now I have information from table 1, and I need to join all the information from table 1 with the table on table 2. So I'm going to use a left join. And then the only thing that I'm missing is a where clause. So I need to specify where it doesn't have any likes. So I need to see where the like date is null. End it, and let's see if it works. No! Did I do this right? Oh, you see, I did it again. Page ID, I didn't specify. That's why I do it first. And I still messed it up. P.page ID. There you go. Now, is it asking for any specific order? Yes, ascending order. So then I'm going to order by page ID. Let's run it, and let's see. I think we got it. Let's submit and check. Awesome, and we just finished question 1. I'll be posting more of these. If you're interested, you can keep watching if you like working these out with me.